Alright, y'all. This is that F250 7.3 that I've been telling y'all about. Got a ZF5 4x4. Excuse my mess. Just got done pulling the motor out, as y'all know. Also just got done putting new leaf springs underneath the front end. Went ahead and redid the bearings a while back. That was fun. But needless to say, this is what that motor I'm working on that you guys just seen me working on the heads and the pistons on, going back into. So I'll update y'all when I get ready to do some more. Hope y'all have a great day.